Mastering apostrophes. Avoiding common mistakes. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common areas where errors pop up in English writing: apostrophes. We'll specifically focus on their usage in contractions and possessives, and by the end, you'll be an apostrophe expert. Let's get started. Contractions are formed when two words are combined, and certain letters are omitted. The apostrophe helps indicate where the omission occurs. Examples: do not becomes don't. The O from not is removed. They are becomes there. The A from are is removed. However, the tricky part is that many contractions sound like other words. The key is to always be mindful of the context. Common mistakes. You're possessive versus you're. You are. It's possessive versus it's. It is or it has. When we want to show ownership or possession, we often use an apostrophe. General rules. 1. For singular nouns, add s. 2. The dog's bone. 3. The girl's book. 4. For plural nouns ending in s, just add an apostrophe. 5. The dog's toys. 6. The teacher's lounge. 7. For plural nouns not ending in s, add s. 8. The children's playground. 9. The men's room. Common mistakes. It's versus it's. Remember, it's is a contraction for it is or it has. The possessive form it's doesn't have an apostrophe. Plural versus possessive. Cats is plural. More than one cat, but cats shows possession, belonging to the cat. 1. Read out loud. Often, when you read your sentence out loud, you can catch contraction mistakes because the sentence might not make sense. 2. Check for ownership. If something belongs to someone, or something, there should likely be an apostrophe there. 3. Practice. Like any skill, the more you practice using apostrophes correctly, the better you'll get. Try writing sentences or correcting passages that have apostrophe errors. And that wraps up our deep dive into apostrophes. Remember, while it may seem tricky at first, with practice and attention to detail, you'll master the art of using apostrophes in no time. Keep practicing, and I hope this video was helpful in strengthening your English writing skills. Until next time, happy learning!